Hey everyone, Scott coming to here live from my home in Sugarloaf, New York. How's everyone doing today? I hope you are all well. Be sure to smash the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to start making $800, $2,400, and $4,000 instant to you. To you, no middleman, instant to you, and done for you. And allow me to explain that. So, what are we? We are online consistent money. So in the link in the description, you're going to go there and you're going to put your email address in here. And I'm just going to walk you through the process right now. It's very simple. What we do is we make these sales for you, and I'm going to explain as we go through this. And also, I do have fast action starter bonuses, so you're definitely going to want to stay to the end. Definitely smash the subscribe and definitely hit that bell up on the top right. All right, so now you're down in the description. You've watched this video already that I am creating right now. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link down there, and you're just going to put your email address in there. When you put your email address in there, and you're just going to ask yourself, do you want to make $800, $2,400, and $4,000 instant to you, no middleman commissions? Just ask yourself that question, all right, folks? Just ask yourself that question. Then it's going to take you over here to a 14-minute video. Now, this video here explains the whole entire system, soup to nuts, and explains how they do the work and we collect the commissions. Yes, you heard me correct, and I'm going to elaborate on that in the next page. So after you come over here, you're going to want to go here now. Now you're going to, and how to get started. This is what you're going to want to do. The products here, and we are a traffic product, folks. We do advertising for online businesses, and everyone needs that. So you're going to come into this page, and you're going to see this video right here. It's about 13 minutes long. You're going to watch that. It's the product and service explained, okay? It explains everything, and it makes sense of everything. So be sure to watch that, and then scroll down. And scroll down here. And what I want to show you is this is what the fortune in the follow-up is. As you can see right here, there's a phone number there. Why? Because when you call that number, you're going to tell them Scott Darvitz sent you. And guess what? They're going to answer all your questions on my behalf. And guess what? They're going to do the same for you. All right, so you're saying, Scott, is it only you it's working for or anyone else? No. Look at Carol. Carol is quite happy right here to come on here and do a testimonial, okay? All right, it just gets great here, folks. It really does. And I just want you to realize direct commissions are 800, 2,400, and 4,000, okay? That's now ask yourself, would that be enough for you to leave your job today? Remember, or if you don't know, I fired my boss in 2016. I was a cable guy. Ever see that movie? But either way. So now we're going to come down here. We're going to scroll down here, and we're going to see how you can even get cash in your mailbox. You can get checks. Yes, you could get checks like Dan from Florida here. 12,800 in just 4 days. All right, that's just one of the many. Okay, and look at this. We do 100% of the work. You collect the commission. Now you're asking, Scott, what's this? What's the product here? What's going on with the product? How am I making this? It's a membership, folks. And what the product is, look at Michael C. from Alabama, 4,200 in just 3 weeks, folks. I mean, this is amazing. I don't even have to show my proof, even though I made close to 80 grand with this system. All right, so now we're going to keep coming down here. It gets better and better and better because when we come down, and these are the price points. So level 1's 1,000, level 2 is 3,000, level 3 is 5,000, okay? All right, and this is the overage when we get into the traffic part, which is leads, advertising, because you need eyeballs, right? Yes. And we keep coming down here. Boom. And don't forget, each single lead that comes from the traffic, and we're going to get into that, is going to pay you $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions, okay? Look at this here. Who we got here? We got Kevin C, 6,400 in just 1 week. Holy smokes. This is all new stuff popping on here. I love it. There's the owner, Bob Housden. When you call that number, he's going to call you back. And he's going to introduce you to me. All right. And what I love about this here, though, is zero out of pocket financing. Okay. So you could come down here and click on that. So now I'm just going to take you into the back office and I'm going to let you know the bonus and I'm going to let you do the steps and get rocking and rolling. So right here, we're going to come over here and I'm going to take you to the back office. That's where we're going, right to the back office. So this is the back office. This is the product. And what is the product? So Gold, which is the $1,000 membership. Right here, you're going to get 10% off traffic, okay? Lifetime 10% off traffic, okay? Platinum membership, right here, you're going to get 20% off traffic, okay? And then guess what, folks? This is where I'm at, the Diamond membership, the $5,000 level, all right? So we're going to go to the Diamond, and boom. Remember, it was 40% off traffic. This is huge, folks. This is huge. Now let's get into my bonuses. So when you get started, if you get started at the Platinum or the Diamond, I'm going to come over here. You're going to get a branded funnel on me. This is what I do right here. So you're going to get a branded funnel on me, okay? You're getting a branded funnel on me and everything on me, okay? Connected to the email and the follow-up, all right? So all you have to do is get a hold of me after you're set up there, all right? Now, let's get back over to if you do the Platinum, for that too. If you do the Gold, what I'm going to do for you, do the Gold, I'm going to give you 100 clicks of traffic, all right? I'm going to mix you in with any traffic. Oh, and then just so you know, when you start at Gold, Platinum, or Diamond, so when you start at Platinum, you're going to get more traffic, okay? If you start at Diamond, you're going to get more traffic to your link, and you're going to get branded. Platinum and Diamond's getting branded, okay? I'm branding you, meaning I'm hooking up the email for you and all that stuff, okay? All right? Gold, OCM takes care of that, so don't worry. You're going to be taken care of either way. I just like to give extra value for my my team, okay? So that's what we're talking about here. And then I'm going to send traffic. So Diamond, I'm going to send more traffic than I would do Platinum, and then obviously Gold. But everyone's going to get traffic for starting. Gold, OCM's going to set you up. They do the same thing. Platinum, Diamond, I'm going to take care of you as an added bonus. So I look forward to connecting with you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Make sure you smash subscribe, hit the bell, get the link below, and put your email address right in here, folks, and give my team a call. Bye for now.